right?
Okay, thank
The
you.
motherfucker's recording, so there it is.
Look, you broke the cigarette already.
No, I didn't. Don't say away. All right. So here it goes. I'm gonna. That thing's on.
I feel like smacking it.
No.
I feel like smacking it,
All
breaking
right,
it.
so you don't want to get in there.
No,
get in
you
there,
don't need to
buddy.
start it.
No,
You don't need
he's
to start
not
it.
going to start it. He's there to man the clutch.
What does he need to do anything in there for?
Because we're going to get the
cigarette
smoke.
and hit the
Yeah,
pump.
no shit. And then we're going to let this back out and cut off the fan when we're ready. Once we're done, all right? That's the idea to keep, because this is technically inside our esteemed maker facility. We can't do that. So we have to smoke the cigarette outside
Smoke
the
it.
facility.
Just go.
Get the fan. You got to turn the fan on.
Okay, well,
Whatever.
whenever I
All
see
right,
smoke,
look. You ready to hit the clutch?
whenever
on
I
this
see
thing?
smoke in makerspace,
Oh,
I'll
here
hit the fan.
goes. We're not smoking in makerspace. We're smoking 2 feet outside makerspace. Here we go. Hey, I need somebody to fucking. Well, I'll do it. No. Oh, you gonna hold it?
You want me to pump?
Yeah, you hold it.
You want me to pump?
No, yeah,
Hold
yeah,
the cigarette.
yeah.
Hold the cigarette.
Yeah, I got the
Hold the
cigarette.
cigarette.
All
Ready?
right, here we go.
And I'm in the fucking camera view. I'm in the camera view. Come over here.
Oh, you can't
Come
pull
over
it
here.
like that.
Come
We're gonna
over
move
here.
the camera. We're gonna move the camera. We want this outdoors. Quit trying to break my cigarette. See what you're doing.
The smoke's not coming out that end. It's gonna come over here.
I understand
So that's
that.
not- oh
but
my
we
goodness.
got to get a camera view.
Which
Just
is
move
what
it-
I'm in the view of.
Why don't we move the camera? Why don't we move the camera right over there so we can see? I don't know. Actually, I think it's better just here. You hold this. You light it,
Fucking
hold it,
shit.
and I'm gonna pump.
Stand your ass right
Here
here.
we go.
Stand your
All
ass right here and light it
Go.
while I pump.
Go. I can't get the fucking. All right, now I got a good
Hey,
way.
the
to
vacuum light
pump.
came off.
Huh?
I'm kidding.
All right.
Hey,
Hold on. Just
hey,
get ready.
Hey, there's no smoke gonna come out on this end.
Just relax.
Come over here. Give me this.
No! Quit grabbing shit. Damn it.
There's no smoke gonna come out the opposite end of the cigarette. By the way.
You know, it's not. It's not lit, dude. Come on, man. You gotta like the motherfucker. Hold on. Okay. No, I'm trying to pump and fucking hold it. You gotta hold this. No, don't put your foot on the clutch. Keep your feet off the clutch.
Oh, there goes your camera.
Here, go. No, light the shit.
The camera's about to fall.
Keep it on there. Keep it on. Okay, now it's going. Now it's go. Oh, look, it's coming from. It's the fucking manifold. It's the manifold itself. It's down there. Do you see it, Stacy? It's a massive motherfucking leak.
No shit.
No shit. All right, so now we know. That's it.
No.
We're done.
No.
We're done.
I'm getting high.
Yeah,
I'm getting
we're
high.
Done. We're done. Let's back.
Everybody
Hey,
in here is getting high.
Go ahead and back your car out a little bit. Get it out of DMS. We know where it is.